This is the real interview questions that were asked from the subject specialist candidate for the post of SS Chemistry in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa Public Service Commission. The interview were held in February 2025. So the first question is, the demo was about SN1, SN2. So the first question is, what is pH? So pH is a negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration. It can also be positive, more than 14. It can be less than 0, because it is also it is actually from negative infinity to positive infinity. Such question are also asked about that, okay, why it is from why it can be 15, it can be 0 or not. So one should know about also this. What is pH of blood? So it is alkaline. And what is the atomic number of Nu? So it is 79. And at that time, a lot of questions are about other elements were also asked. Define hydrolysis. Hydrolysis is the process in which water reacts and also acts as a solvent. So lysis means splitting of water. Define salvation. Salvation is a process in which a solvent molecule surround and a solute molecule. So this is a physical process only. What is the difference between first and second order reaction? The main difference in between first and second order reaction is that in first order reaction only reaction rate only depend on substrate concentration, while in second order reaction the reaction rate depends on substrate and all, as well as reagent concentration. Define osmotic pressure. So osmotic pressure is many operation that stop the osmosis of any solution. Define a stronic solution having same as osmotic pressure. So there is no net movement of any solvent occur. Simple define chemical kinetics. So kinetics is the study of rate of reaction. Difference between sea and ocean. So ocean is very largest and having low enclosement by land, and sea is somewhat enclosed by land. What is PECCA Amendment Ordinance 2025? It is for the electronic crimes like cyber crimes, etc., to manage social media and other activities of the people at Pakistan. Uh, Next question is, explain about tumor disease. So about tumor are abnormal growth of cell, can be cancerous and non-cancerous. And disadvantage of AI. So advantage: fast data processing, automation, accuracy, or matlab, everything available at our door in our mobile. Disadvantage: job loss, misuse risk, lackness of creativity or problem because they are create करती है. Atomic number of platinum, so it is 78. This is the next interview. So it's a demo about functional group. What is wave function? Sorry, wave equation. A mathematical equation describing the behavior of a wave function uh, in quantum mechanics. Student wave equation. What is Gibraltar synthesis? It is synthesis for primary amine from alkyl halide using potassium thalamide. The next question is about what is Cope reaction. So, it's thermal decomposition of tertiary amine oxide to give alkene and hydroxide. Difference between gas chromatography and liquid chromatography. Gas chromatography, the mobile phase are there in gas. Use gas is a mobile phase. Liquid chromatography, liquid are used as a mobile phase, and separation based on absorption and separation based on movement of gas. Uh, Next, what is the nuclear reaction? So nuclear reaction in which nucleus is involved in a reaction. How are we differentiate between urea and amide? So urea gives positive by urea test, by amide don't do that test. Third order reaction, final equation. So it can be like this, very lengthy and very tough question, I think. Difference between HNMR and carbon NMR. So H NMR detects hydrogen, while carbon NMR detects carbon. So this is the main difference between uh, hydrogen NMR. Definitely more accurate as compared to carbon NMR. What is mole in its formula? So mole when next or chairman question, what is it is an amino acid IUPAC mean International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry, headquarter of IUPAC. So the Zurich, Sweden, and originally it is in USA. What is insulin? Insulin is a protein by nature, a peptide hormone secreted by pancreas. So, fourth member asked about the teaching methods. How many teaching methods? So there are a lot about teaching methods. The best one is activity method. Yeah, students and method. What is the inductive method? In induction, we go from specific to general, and in induction, we go from general to specific. You control your class. So this is everyone depend on their own approach. What is FATA though? It was Federal Administrative Tribal Areas merged with Khyber Pakhtunkhwa in 2018, and there was no amendment for this.